Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you some things that I have purchased recently and then turned around and tie-dyed. I know tie-dye is like last summer was really popular, but I feel like it's still popular this summer too. And I have so much fun with it. I love doing it. So I'm going to show you some things that I've done recently. Here we go. The first thing is from Adidas. This is a men's large. So yeah, definitely like a women's extra large. It looks like this. It has the 3 stripes on the arms. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is this sweatshirt? Dun, 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 dun. If you guys want to see a video on how I achieve this, comment down below and let me know. I'm still new at this. I'm still learning different techniques. So some things, you know, didn't come out how I wanted them to. Like this shirt. This is a Disney shirt, size medium. It says Disney State of Mind on it. Yeah, I wanted it to be more like drippy everywhere. So I don't know. I don't really like how this came out. This was a gray color and like the ring on the sleeves and the collar was black. So it's like a purpley gray color now with like randomness everywhere. And I don't know. I don't really like how this came out, but you know, somebody might. I feel like I should do a video on brands that are selling for me because Disney stuff is like crazy right now. Like crazy, crazy, crazy. I love this sweatshirt. It is a starter sweatshirt. It's a size men's large, so women's extra large. Oh my gosh, I love it. So it was originally this like navy blue color. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. There's a little starter logo right there. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, I love this sweatshirt so much. I bought some AG jeans. These were originally white and they had a couple stains on them, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy them and I'm gonna tie-dye them. AG jeans are really expensive, but these were very, very, very cheap. So these are the Stevie Slim Straight jeans, size 27. And look how pretty. This is like cotton candy. Yes, 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 yes. Like how pretty are these? Same kind of thing with these. These were white Levi's. These are the slimming skinny jeans, size 29. Again, they were white and now they are purple or like a pinkish. Yeah, no, like a pinkish purple and blue. Love them. Love them. Love them. I'm going to save the best for last. I don't know if I'm going to sell it. I have to get the price I want for it. Otherwise, I'm not selling it because it's just beautiful. Okay, so this is a... Hello? Someone knocking on my door. This is a Nike t-shirt, size medium, men's medium. I made this into a crop top, but I love the colors on this. You guys, I love it. Yeah. These... I don't really want to sell. They are Pink Victoria's Secret, size medium. They're ribbed leggings. They used to be black. Look at them now. These are so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it has pink on the back there. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love these. I don't know. I have to get the amount that I want for them. Otherwise, I'm not selling them because, I mean, this took work, you know, and it's cute and I like it. So these ones are super cute too. These are Pink Victoria's Secret, size medium. These are like crop. They're the yoga line, but they're like tight like leggings. But again, so beautiful. They have pink on the side, and then pink on the bottom. On both legs? On both legs, yes. I found a Harley Davidson tee. This is a size 2XL. I think it's women's because... Yeah, because I think it's women's. Harley Davidson Nashville. And it does have some like some holes throughout it. Actually, just like 2 of them. But I feel like it adds to it. Like it adds to it. Yes. And then the back looks like that. I love this like, I don't know, like the blue with the pink. Like it's just, oh, it's beautiful. This one I love. This is actually the first one that I did. This is just a no-name brand. Well, the tag is ripped out, but I think it's just no-name brand. It's a Marine Corps t-shirt like that. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Then on the back it says USMC Semper Fi. Oh my gosh. I love this shirt. I love this shirt. If you guys didn't know, I was once enlisted in the Marine Corps. I was almost a Marine. Almost a Marine. Almost. I just realized there's a couple of shirts that I don't have in this pile. I'll put up pictures like at the end and show you. So yeah, this is a Nike shirt, size men's medium. Just has the swoosh on it. Yes, this one has like light bluish, like a tealish color to it. Love it. This one I love as well. This is a Led Zeppelin t-shirt. This is a size medium, men's medium, so women's large. You guys, how gorgeous is this? How gorgeous. I just realized it does have a small hole. Actually, I think I put that in the listing. It has a small hole right there, but you know, it's fine. It doesn't take away from its gorgeousness. Here's another one that was kind of a fail. It's a Luke Bryan tour tee, size medium. This is the Dirt Road Diaries Tour 2013. So this is kind of a fail. I mean, I still think it looks cool, but there's too much bleach on here for my liking. I wanted more color. I don't know what happened to this one, but this is what it looks like. And then the back. Grabbed this shirt because it was only $1.99, and I didn't realize until I was bleaching it that it has Kyrie's name on the back. Kyrie Irving. It's a Boston Celtics tee, size medium. He doesn't play for the Celtics anymore. There's like beef. If you guys are Celtics fans, you know about Kyrie. So yeah, it looks like this. Looks so sick in the front, and then there's that. Then there's that name in the back. But still, a sick t-shirt. Like, I love the colors. This one, I don't really know if I like how this one turned out. It's pink Victoria's Secret, size medium. Well, I mean, now that it's on camera, it doesn't look too bad. That. And then the back looks like that. Oh, I gotta show you two pictures real quick. So this shirt right here, this was an Adidas shirt. Somebody bought this for full price, and I'm like, okay, full price was $45. I'm like, okay. I wore the shirt once, and I was like, I really like the way it came out. I didn't want to sell it, and then somebody bought it for full price, so I sold it. But yeah, this one, and then this hoodie as well sold pretty quickly. Love the colors on this. This was originally white, and it's beautiful. I hope the person that bought actually both of those shirts really appreciates them because they're gorgeous. This is pink Victoria's Secret, size extra small. And again, like cotton candy dreams right here. Yes, 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 yes. These pants are beautiful. They are Champion, size small. This is the reverse weave. I wasn't sure if this fabric was going to take the dye because it is a little bit thicker, but it took it, and they're beautiful. So the waist, yeah, you know, the waist is supposed to go like this, but it kind of has like a permanent bend in it, which I think actually looks cool. I like the folded waist. So yeah, I mean, you could, you know, finagle it and straighten it out. But I don't know. I like the way it looks with the bent waist. But look how beautiful these pants are. They're joggers, so they get tighter at the bottom. But yeah, these pants are gorgeous. So they're a size small, but they're definitely oversized for a small, for sure. Before I show you the last thing, I have one more thing to show you. So I got this shirt from Boohoo. I have like a lot of these shirts. It's just a shirt that says woman on it, like in a script print. This is a size medium. I like how this came out. Very pretty. But Boohoo has like the cheapest friggin' fabric ever. And I actually ruined a couple of Boohoo shirts that I tried to bleach and dye because they just like literally ripped in half. But this one, you can kind of see like right here, the fabric is getting like thinner. There's no holes yet, but you do gotta be careful with this. There's also like right there, you can see it's getting pretty thin. I don't know, but I like this shirt. I think it's still cute. But yeah, you gotta be careful with Boohoo and Shein fabrics. They're just really, really cheap. Okay, this, oh my gosh, you guys. Talked about the sweatshirt in a previous video. It is a Lululemon sweatshirt. It is called the All Yours graphic hoodie. I have a bunch of them. I have a black one, I have a pink one, a blue one, like a brownish, maroonish color one, and now I have this gorgeous one that I really don't know if I want to sell because it is gorgeous. If I get the price that I want for it, I'll sell it, but it's a lot because this sweatshirt is gorgeous. So this was black. It was the black on black, and now it is just so beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh. Just look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? Would you just look at this? You guys know who I'm talking about? Ed Bassmaster. He's friggin' hilarious. I actually met him years ago when I went to a YouTube partner meetup in New York, and he was so nice. He was so nice, and he was friggin' hilarious, and he's still hilarious. But yeah, you guys should look up his little skit. He's looking at a car that he wants to buy, and he's just like, "Would you look at this? Would you just look at this? Would you look at?" It's really funny. But anyway, this sweatshirt is so beautiful. Like, just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The person that I purchased this from said this was a size 10, but I did measurements and it's more like a size 8. So if you're not familiar with Lululemon sizing, it's kind of weird. A size like 8 to 10 is more of like a medium, almost large. So yeah, so this sweatshirt, I'll have measurements on it, but it is, oh my gosh, so beautiful. I actually have a couple more coming in the mail. Every time, like, I have filters set. I literally search every day for this sweatshirt, the specifically like black on black, like it has the black lettering and it was all black. I literally search every day for it, and as soon as one is available, I purchase it. I have a couple more coming in the mail, and I think I might try to tie-dye them. I'll put up some pictures of other things that I recently tie-dyed. That is it for this video. Again, if there's anything in this video that you want to purchase, it will be in my Poshmark closet. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see how I do that, how I achieved those beautiful colors. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.